guys, what's up? Today finally I have already made up my mind to go and stay with Nick, that my ex guy. See my bag, I don't carry my bag, I want to stay with him. I beg, not gonna wish me well, you understand? So me and my friend, that my friend we are connecting, you understand? So me and her, she went where it's sporting, you understand? Finally I'm going to that guy's house.
Guys,
So I pray that, baby, wait. Okay. I pray that I stay well with him.
hey guys, as you can see, I'm seeing her off to Nick's place. I'm kind of worried about her, but I know she'll be fine.
Fine.
Since she decided to record everything, I don't know why, but she has a reason. So, Joy, please, no, but they do shish for Nick house. I don't want trouble. Please, try and stay safe. And you know your condition. Just try and manage yourself. I wish you well. I just pray that luck shines on you and you smile again.